These cupcakes aren't just gluten-free and vegan. They are also free from refined white sugar, oil, any kind of starch, soy, and even corn. You can even swap out the cocoa powder for carob or add chocolate chips. Sounds too good to be true? Try it out. All ingredients are listed in the info box below. There's a secret ingredient you'll never guess that make these gluten-free and vegan chocolate cupcakes incredibly moist and special. Only wholesome ingredients are used to make them. And I promise you, nobody will ever taste it. To start off our gluten-free chocolate cupcakes, we're going to mix up our dry ingredients such as buckwheat flour, unsweetened cocoa powder or carob, finely ground almonds, and coconut sugar. I like to bake with coconut sugar since it has a lower glycemic index. If you want to decrease the sugar, just use less. Next is ground flaxseed, which helps my dough hold together and give it a good texture. As I always bake gluten-free and cornstarch-free, I use this specific baking powder. It's the only one I've discovered in Europe that's completely free of both. Finally, I like to use a bit of cinnamon powder, but you could also use vanilla extract instead. Last ingredient is salt. It's super easy and all the ingredients are listed below this video. If you like my recipe and want to support me, don't forget to subscribe. Feel free to share my video on social media, comment and like. And here comes our secret weapon for super moist cupcakes. Grated zucchini. Just grate it really fine and add it raw. Trust me, this is a game changer. Your family and friends will be amazed and won't even know you've sneaked in some veggies. So, what are you waiting for? Let's bake! The next step is to incorporate applesauce, lemon juice or vinegar, sparkling water, and mashed cooked chickpeas into the bowl. As a substitute for chickpeas, you can use applesauce. But keep in mind, though, that chickpeas make the cupcakes extra moist. If you like this video, I'll be very happy if you subscribe, like, write a comment, and share my video. Now, we've got our dry and we've got our wet ingredients, and we're going to get these all mixed together just by hand quickly. Now we fill our cupcake liners with the batter and pop them into the preheated oven. Bake for about 20 minutes at 175 degrees Celsius or a little less than 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm using the convection setting, so I've placed a tray of water on the bottom rack to keep the cupcakes moist while baking. To make sure your cupcakes are fully baked, insert a toothpick into the center of one. If it comes out clean with no wet butter, your cupcakes are ready. If you are new to baking, I highly recommend using the toothpick test to make sure your cupcakes are fully baked. It's a simple trick that even beginners can master. You can find the recipe for this delicious homemade sugar-free chocolate frosting in the info box below and on my channel. Tell me in the comments how you like this recipe and have a look to my channel if you want more gluten-free and vegan recipes. I offer cakes and cookies, waffles and bread, pizza, cinnamon rolls and much more. See you in my next video.